Hi, Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines, and I want to congratulate you for making it to step number 7 of the 7 critical success factors of marketing. Why have I started back at here? Quite simply, when I talk to a lot of my new clients about marketing, this is what they hear, and you're probably thinking the same thing as well. Now, let's just recap on the last 6 critical success factors. Step number 1, we covered off your monthly leads, looking at all the different strategies that you've got in place to engage and to generate interest in your product or your service. Have you calculated that figure? Good question. Step number 2, we looked at conversion rates, determining whether your conversion rate was actually based upon the number of people coming in on a monthly basis or based upon the number of people you actually talk to. Real critical for us to understand. Step number 3, average spend per customer. Why is that so essential to us? Because we need to understand whether your business is actually going to be profitable or not. Step number 4, profit. Understanding that for a business to be successful, we must generate profit. And that is looking at the amount of money left after you've covered your business and you've covered the servicing of your product. Step number 5, lifetime value of a customer. Remember, we talked earlier about the fact that sometimes it's actually cheaper to keep a client than it is to go after a new one. So how do we ensure that we keep our client with us, coming back over and over again to spend their hard-earned money with us? And then finally, step number 6, the power of referrals. Ensuring that we actually have a referral strategy in place that works and works over and over and over again. Now, why are all of those elements so successful to marketing? Because all of the different aspects of marketing allow us to be able to accomplish and achieve those 6 critical success factors. But the most important and the final success factor for you to consider, and that is, imagine if you only made a 10% change to one of those areas. Imagine if you increased your average leads by 10%. So instead of 100 leads per month, you brought in 110 leads per month. What would be the financial ramifications if everything else all stayed the same? What increase would that have on your bottom line profitability? Imagine if you increased your conversion rate by 10%. So instead of converting 10 clients a month, you actually converted, 12, 13 clients, once again through the funnel. What would that have as an impact on the bottom end at the final position for you financially? All of this is possible for you to increase the profitability and the promotability inside your business using simple and easy to implement marketing strategies. Is all about making one change, a 10% change, not throwing everything out and then restarting again. So here's what I'm going to ask you to do, because I congratulate you for making this far. Reach out to us on www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au. Allow us to be part of your solution and allow us to help you create greater financial and business success. I look forward to sharing with you soon.